Okay, nice short little video on how to search for a recipe. First thing you want to do is you want to go up here and click on the search. You don't have to click, you just hover over it, click beer recipes, and then it'll bring you up here, search beer recipes. Don't even bother with a keyword. If you look here, you can click method. You were looking to do extract, so here you go, click extract. You want something in metric versus US, so you click metric. Then you could choose a style right here. Now, an American brown ale is probably going to be a little bit hoppier than an English brown ale. So you could scroll down to an English brown ale. I mean, you have a lot of things if you want a little sweeter. When I think like malts and a sweeter beer, I usually think of like German beers. However, that's not always the case. Obviously, a brown porter is going to give you, well, that's going to be stronger. I'm looking more for, let's see, a British brown ale right here. So like you can get British brown ale, some of these here, like a nut brown ale, probably be a good kind of sweet beer. And these are all extract beers done in metric, so you can see what you like about them and search through that way. You could forego style altogether if you wanted, but I would say this is probably a better way to look. As far as like you're going to need to know the styles of beer that make uh, a sweeter-esque beer, right? So I'm thinking you probably don't want to mess around with lactose if you're pretty new to brewing, but sometimes you have the sweet stouts that have a little bit of lactose in them that'll give you that. Double box tend to be on the maltier side. It depends on what you mean by sweeter. I tend to think you mean maltier versus bitter. Doesn't look like there's any Dunkles Bock, but if you go through this, let's go down to the like O for Oktoberfest, right? Or even a oh, here you go, Märzen right here. This will be good. A handful of recipes here. All right, so that's just it in a nutshell. That's a very short video on just to show you how to use the search engine in the way that you're looking to do so. Okay, hopefully that helps. Let me know what you think. Thanks. Bye.